Hey everyone! If you've been looking for a face cream that keeps your skin soft and hydrated all day, you need to check this out.
Wait, are you still dealing with dry, dull skin? Stop scrolling! I found the ultimate fix. Meet my new obsession, the Mermius face cream.
All those videos were created from a single prompt using UGCVideo.ai. If you're looking to create promotional content for your product, UGC Video is the way. You can generate AI realistic images. This is an image I generated a while ago from an image. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to generate all various forms of images. So you can generate images, characters, you can generate art video, UGC image, UGC video, motion sync, and talking videos. So let's go into it. So the first one is to create a character from an image. You can also do that by describing your character. You can do that by building your character. This gives you more flexibility. We'll get into that as well. And this also helps you to generate influencers. This aids in generating your ad video. Okay, so you can choose an influencer from your asset and then start creating your ads with it. So the first one is the starting from image. So let's go into that one. So as I said, this is an image I generated earlier today. So the next one, we are going to upload the image from my storage. So I'll add my image. And then give it a name. So I'm just gonna give it Jane. And then a background story. So I prepared a background story, so just paste your prompt over there. Then choose the model you want. If you want Nano Banana, ChatGPT, or Nano Banana 2. So I think I'll go with the default one, that is Nano Banana Pro. So this one uses 10 credits, so just hit generate. Wow, our image has been generated already, so you can go ahead and see how it looks. So this is it. This is an image generated from this original image. So we will use this one for our videos and all other generations that we will do on this tutorial. So just follow closely. So the next feature is the UGC ad video. So this is actually good for brands who invest more into creating ads for their products, promoting their products out there. You don't need to pay huge money to any influencer to promote your product. You can just generate ads over here and then push it out there. So the UGC ad video allows you to upload your product and also the influencer that you want to promote your product. So I want to add my product over here, so click on upload and then click on image. So I want to promote this face cream, that is my product, so I'll just click on that one and save. Then I'll add my influencer. I already have my influencers over here, so I think I like this one better. Let's choose this one, Jane. Yeah. Then let's add our prompt. And so I'll add my prompt over here. So I'll just say market this product. You can add more detailed prompts, but I just want something simple, and add my voice over here. So because we chose a female, we must make sure that the voice is also a female voice. So select the language. There are lots of languages over here that you can select from depending on the geographical location you are generating for. So I'll choose a female she's also young, and the style I want upbeat. So you can play any of the
You know that feeling
audios
when
over
it.
here.
Hey there, I'm Lori. Okay, wait. Did you just scroll past without seeing this? Not today.
Don't settle for a relationship
Anna
that won't
feels
let
more
you be
natural, so I think I'll
yourself.
go for that one. Then hit generate. The video is ready now. So let's see.
Wait, are you still dealing with dry, dull skin? Stop scrolling! I found the ultimate fix. Meet my new obsession, the Mermius face cream. It completely transformed my routine. Look at this texture. It's so incredibly rich and creamy, but it absorbs literally in seconds. It locks in moisture all day long, giving you that effortless, glassy skin glow. Seriously, my confidence is through the roof. Don't sleep on this. Grab yours today and thank me later. Wait.
That is massive. Yo, honestly. So this, with just a simple prompt that I give it, it give me a correct marketing, video that is ready to put out there, that can attract more leads to any product. Okay, so you can use this feature to generate any video you want. Okay, so let's move to the next feature, that is UGC image. You can select from any character over here. I think I'm gonna go with Kofi over here, and describe the scene. So let's say on the street, in a cosmetic shop. So let's add a reference product. Hit generate. So this is so cool. It has also generated the image for exactly how I wanted it. So you can give it, more detailed prompts to get that ideal result you want. The next one is UGC video. So let's create the same video from a different character. Let's add the same product. And what do we want the video to do? How do we want it? So add your prompt over there. And hit generate. This one is also ready. Let's check it out and see how it is. This is nice. So the next one is a talking video. You can also generate a talking video, and you can also generate motion sync video. So let's see how the talking video works. So I want to add my AI influencer. Let me add the guy rather. So add my AI influencer and input what you want to say. Add the voice as well. So you can select the language that you want. I want English, so I'll go for that one, obviously. Since I choose a guy, I'll be choosing a male over here. Oh, he's young and excited.
Welcome to the most
Let's just skip the boring stuff.
Fast, fun, and full of life. This voice brings energy, excitement.
Thousands of users rely on me to turn everyday news into viral, hype-filled, scroll-stopping short-form videos. Let's go viral together right now.
I like this, so I'll choose that one and to specify the aspect ratio and then hit generate. Yeah, so our video has been generated already. Let's check it out and see how it actually is.
Hey everyone, if you've been looking for a face cream that keeps your skin soft and hydrated all day, you need to check this out. I've been using this face cream consistently. And
basically, this is how this works. You can also check the motion sync and other features out. Thank you so much for watching. So you can sign up to UGCVideo.ai. On your sign up, you get 30 free credits. And after your first generation, you also get a 30 free credits as well. So try it out and let me know in the comment section.